Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
In Dialogue, Ali Sara. Topic: Ali Sara casual morning chat. Sara: Good morning, Ali. Are you going to work now? Ali: Yes, I go to work by bus. Sara: Is the bus stop far from your house? Ali: No, it's just a 5-minute walk. Sara: That's good. How long does the bus ride take? Ali: About 20 minutes. Sara: Do you read or listen to music on the bus? Ali: I usually listen to music. Sara: Nice. Have a great day at work. Ali: Thanks, you too.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.